Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. Welcome to the world of movies. My name is Mouse, and I'm so glad you're here today. Now that you've read Chapter 1 and learned about the basics, let's play a fun game. Step 1. Pick your favorite movie or make up a brand new story. Step 2. Choose who will be the actors and director in your movie. Step 3. Act out the scene in a fun or silly way. Try changing the ending. Step 4. If you have a phone or camera, record your scene and watch it back. Even if you don't film it, acting out a story is super fun. Who will you be? A superhero? A scientist?
I'm a scientist. Hello.
A talking cupcake?
Hello.
That's the magic of movies. You can be anything. All right, future filmmakers, that's a wrap on Activity 1. Next time, we'll learn how to create your very own movie story. But first, go act out your scene and have fun. Don't forget to say action.